Today we're gonna do an unboxing. All right, don't mind the mess. We're still doing a build out. The absolute hitter and the absolute zero. These trimmers right here have been making a good amount of noise. Let's check them out. That little light is bomb. All right, guys, so Studio 45 isn't done. As you can see, there's still a mess. It's still dusty in here. We're working on getting it together, but I needed to drop a video because every Monday and every Thursday, we are going to be dropping content. No matter what it is, clipper reviews, tool reviews, tutorials, business stuff, vlogs. We'll be dropping content every Monday, every Thursday. In the comments below, if there's something you want to see more of, please let me know, because I created this space for a specific reason. Content. Let's start this unboxing. Which one do we go with first? Which one we go? Let's go with the shavers first. Don't use a dirty razor at home. Ooh, I like the packaging. Let's see what it says. The professional bump finishing shaver for blending bald fades. Okay. Got it in, looks like Italian. I guess this is an Italian company. I really like the packaging. The packaging is nice. One of these was not where it should have been. But they give you, are these replacements or what? They give you replacements? Oh, it's USB. So it's USB and micro USB to charge. Comes a little brush in there. So we're working with here. A guard. Okay, protection guard. That's what I'm assuming it is. They are dumb light, like stupid light. And they actually feel really good in the hand. I am not gonna lie. Turn them on. They feel good. Yeah, micro USB. And it has like a little trimmer thing that no one ever uses because it typically just pulls hair. Let's see if it actually works when I do my actual full review. And let's see if there's anything underneath here. Let me see if it's actually inside. Oh yeah. They give you extra shaver heads. That's cool and different. I respect that. And there's the box. It says Sager Independent Lithium Ion, 120-minute runtime, so 2 hours. Yep, includes 2 additional replacement cutters. Definitely dope packaging. I'll give them that. Cool. This shelf is actually going to be kind of useful. So there's product 1. Now, what we've all been waiting for, the absolute hitter. Custom body kits. I think that's cool. Body kits. Removable drop top skeleton option. Black diamond carbon DLC blade. All these things are very reminiscent to what Babyliss is doing with the skeleton. And for good reason. I met, I don't know if he's the owner or if he's in charge of product development for barbering. But he used to work at Babyliss, and so I see a lot of the similarities, the ideas with the whole skeleton, with the gold and shiny bodies, but pretty different, definitely. Now, ooh, that's some nice packaging right there. Shows them how you can interchange them. You have your charging dock. Get your boy over here. Charging dock. Nice and heavy, but I'm not going to talk about the dock because we do power clips. Okay, power clips, team power clips. Thank you. So let's get the trim out. The trim is a little hard to take out. Okay, got the screwdriver. Babyliss, I've seen, has these screwdrivers I should say. It's not micro USB, but let's see if the trimmer, I believe the trimmer does have, oh no, it's not micro USB. It is micro USB. It has the option. The first time I seen these, I couldn't help but to think about the similarities with the caliber trimmers, because of this button right in the middle. It's interesting. And the cutting teeth. So when I first got a pair, let me show you guys. It just wasn't, like, it was sharp and it was already zero gapped and everything, but it just wasn't hitting like that. Like, I felt like it was struggling when I was balding out. And I didn't do a review on it or unboxing, but what I learned was that they changed the blade recently. So I could be wrong and I'm gonna have to ask them, but another pair of replacement blades. Maybe they're different, I could be wrong. But then he gave me a pair of blades, and I don't know if these are different. They look the same. Yeah, so they look like the same thing. He just gave me another pair of replacement blade, but I guess the cutting teeth are deeper. Where the teeth that I had on my last trimmer, on the last Gammas, were really short and stuff. They just looked funny, and I figured that's what it was. So I'm happy that they changed the blade. We're going to see how these things hit though. We're gonna see. So again, I had an earlier pair. They sent me one like when they first launched, and you can tell it was more so a prototype version because there's no logo on this dock. It's a little flimsy, a little bit, but doesn't seem like a big deal. Oh my gosh. We're plugged in, and you can see it lights up like a white. Again, guys, ignore the dust. Let's see what it looks like when it's charging. It's pretty cool. Let me see if you just drop it. If you just drop it, it charges, but it seems kind of flimsy. I would push it in. That looks pretty good. In every unboxing, you gotta turn the button on. You have to, okay? Let's see what happens. Looks like Iron Man. Okay, one more time. They feel powerful as hell, I'm not gonna lie. But the motor always felt powerful as hell. It was the blade I had an issue with. And then let's see how it is to skeleton these things. How do you do this? Where's the manual? User manual. You guys see 6A, 6B? It's like using like a flathead to take off the body. I'm scared to do that. Yeah, doing damage. Doing damage. Oh my gosh. Bro, what am I doing? I feel like I'm gonna break this. Oh yeah, I'm definitely damaging this, so I'm gonna stop. Bro, how do you take this thing off? All right, let me watch a Run Barber video.
And there's also these little sections on here that break off so that you can actually leave the clipper skeleton. And if you suddenly decide that that's not for you, you can pop the cover back on. You've got no extra adjustments you need to make to the trimmer. As for the charge, they come with a 4-hour run time.
Damn, how do you skeleton this thing? All right, we're gonna have to get back to the whole skeleton thing. But look at this, guys. Look how close that blade is set. Like for me, that's zero gap. That's ready to go. I do not need to adjust these blades. So we're gonna see how they go factory from the box when I do my review. All right, I forgot to see how this thing charges. One thing I do wish though, I wish that this, for example, charged both. So I don't have to have so many cables. That's why we have power clips. Fast charging adapter. I wonder how long it takes to charge this thing. All right, let's see what we're working with. Okay, so it just turns red. I'm assuming it turns green or blue or something when it's fully charged. There it is. All right, so I'm not gonna unscrew it right now and skeleton out, but you gotta unscrew it. Don't do what dummy me did, and then it just kind of slides off and then you put the lid back on. If you want it back on, you just slide it back in and screw it back on. But enough of that. Let's compare them to all the top trimmers. What are my wall detailers? So little by little, guys, little by little, the studio's coming together. So I'm gonna use them for a while before I drop the review. Obviously, I wanna use them. I wanna try different textures, really get to learn the trimmer. In the meantime, I am dropping tutorials. I got a whole bunch in the pipeline that are gonna be coming out. So make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, all that good stuff. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this video. And we got way more content every Monday and Thursday coming out. Love you guys. See you on the next video.